You know, one random scream at a high school game turned a kid into one of the biggest memes in the United States. It was March 2025, a regular high school basketball game somewhere in America. Crowd cheering, phones out. Nothing unusual. Then the camera finds him. A blonde kid in the stands, eyes wide, face locked onto the lens. He screams, 6'7". Nobody knew what it meant, no context, no explanation. But that second changed everything. The clip was posted by YouTuber Cam Wilder. The sound came from a track called Dude 6'7" by rapper Skrill, a Chicago drill song referencing 60th and 7th Street. TikTok picked it up instantly. Within hours, it took over edits, remixes, chaos, guess my height, guess my IQ, guess my chances, 6'7". NBA fans linked it to LaMelo Ball, who was 6'7". Classrooms across the US started chanting it. Teachers had no idea what was happening. The clip hit millions of days. The kid didn't plan it. He didn't explain it, and that made it even bigger. He became the 67th kid. One moment, one screen everywhere, and the number, it means nothing.